In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off comments on a Facebook post. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by actually making a post. As you can see, I've already made one, but I'll just make another one. So I'm just going to post it by clicking on what's on your mind and posting it. And then I'm just going to click on my profile and scroll down so I can just see the posts themselves. Then, for the one that I want to turn comments off on, I'm going to click the three dots and then click on Edit Privacy. If you want to turn off comments on Facebook posts, they have to be public. So click on Public and then Done. And now you can click on the three dots again once you actually refresh the page. And then there will be an option that says who can comment on this post. And as you can see, you can just say that profiles and pages you mention, profiles and pages you follow, established followers, or public, but you can actually just put profiles and pages you mention, because if you don't mention anyone, then no one's going to be able to comment on the post. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.